Hello student. So today I am going to start the chapter matrices of method inverse of a non-singular matrix by elementary transformation. By definition of inverse of matrix A, if A inverse is exists, then A into A inverse equal to A inverse into A equal to I. I is identity matrix. Let us consider the equation A into A inverse equal to I. Hence A is a given matrix of order m and I is the identity matrix of order m. Hence the unknown matrix is A inverse. Therefore, to find A inverse, we have to first convert A into I. I is the identity matrix. This can be done by using elementary transformation. Here we note that whenever any elementary row transformation is to be applied on the product AB equal to capital C of two matrices A and B, it is enough to apply it only on the AB remains unchanged and apply same row transformation to C. For example, if matrix A is 1 2 1 2 3 4 and B is a minus 1 0 1 5, then product of AB, first row first column 1 into 1 is a 1, 2 into 1 is a 2, first row first column, the product of AB is first row first column 1 into minus 1 is a 1 minus 1 and 2 into 1 is a 2, minus 1 plus 2 is a plus 1, and first row second column 1 into 0 is a 0 and 2 into 5 is a 10, 0 plus 10 is a 10, first row is a 110, and second row first column we multiply second row first column 3 into minus 1 minus 3 and 4 into 1 is a 4, minus 3 plus 4 is a plus 1, and second row second column 3 into 0 is a 0 and 4 into 5 is a 20, 0 plus 20 is a 20. The product of AB is a 20. Therefore, AB equal to 110, 120 equal to C. Now we require C to transform to a new matrix by R1 interchange R2, then C is equivalent to 120, 110. We same transformation used to A, then A is equivalent to 3 4 1 2 and B remains unchanged. Therefore, then their product EB equal to 3 4 1 2 into minus 1 0 1 5. First row first column 3 into minus 1 minus 3, 4 into 1 4, minus 3 plus 4 is a plus 1, and first row second column 3 into 0 is a 0 and 4 into 5 is a 20, 0 plus 20 is a 20. Second row into first column 1 into minus 1 is a minus 1 and 2 into 1 is a 2, minus 1 plus 2 is a 1, and second row second column 1 into 0 is a 0 and 2 into 5 is a 10, 0 plus 10 is a 10 as a required. Verify the product. Hence the equation A into A inverse can be transformed into an equation of the type I into A inverse equal to B by applying same series of row transformation on both the sides of the equation. However, if we start with the equation A inverse into I, which is also true by the definition of the inverse matrix, then the transformation of A should, due to the column transformation, apply column transformation to post factor and other side, whereas the prefactor remains unchanged. Thus, starting with the equation A into A inverse equal to I, we perform a series of row transformation on both sides of the equation so that A gets transformed to I is the identity matrix. Thus, A into A inverse equal to I is the identity matrix. Therefore, A changes to I into A inverse equal to, that is a B. Therefore, I into A inverse equal to A inverse equal to B. And for the equation A inverse into A equal to I, we use the series of column transformation. Thus, A inverse into A equal to I. Therefore, A inverse as it is, A changes to identity matrix I equal to B. Therefore, A inverse into I is A inverse equal to B. Now, if A is a given matrix of order 3 and it is a non-singular, then we consider matrix A is first row is A11, A12, A13, and second row is A21, A22, A23, and third row is A31, A32, A33. For reducing the above matrix to I equivalent to 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1, the suitable row transformation are as follow. This is I is a identity matrix. First condition is reduces to A11 to first, A11 to 1, and second condition then reduces to A21 and A31 to 0, and third condition is reduces to A22 is a 1, and fourth condition then reduces to A12 and A13 to 0, and reduces to A33 is 1, then reduces to A13 and A23 is 0. Remember that a similar working rules but not the same can be used if you are using column transformation. We will discuss the chapter matrices and method elementary row transformation. The first example is find the inverse of matrix A is 1 3 3 1 4 3 1 3 4 by elementary row transformation. Firstly, given matrix A is 1 3 3 1 4 3 1 3 4, this is a square matrix, this order is 3 by 3. We firstly consider determinant A. We can take the determinant A 1 3 3 1 4 3 1 3 4. Therefore, first element is selected, leaving off first row, first column. 4 into 4 is 16, 3 into 3 is 9. We use the cross product 16 minus 9, and first row and element of second minus 3, the use of rules of determinant, minus 3 into leaving off first row, second column. 1 into 4 is 4 and 1 into 3 is 3. 4 minus 3 plus third element is 3, leaving off first row and third column. 1 into 3 is 3, 1 into 4 is 4, 3 minus 4. Therefore, 1 into 16 minus 9, this subtraction is 7, minus 3 into 4 minus 3 is 1, and plus 3 into 3 minus 4, this subtraction is minus 1. Therefore, this product is a minus 3, and plus 3 into minus 1, this product is a minus 3. Minus 3 and minus 3, this addition is a minus 6. 7 minus 6 is a plus 1. Therefore, the value of determinant A equal to 1. Determinant A not equal to 0. Therefore, A inverse is a exist. By using find the inverse matrix of A, By using elementary row transformation, we use the formula A into A inverse equal to I. The value of value of matrix A is 1 3 3 1 4 3 1 3 4 into A inverse equal to I is identity matrix. Diagonal elements are only 1 1 0 0 0 1 0 and 0 0 1. This is the identity matrix or unit matrix. Use R2. We apply R2. This A to 1 reduce to 0. Therefore, we apply R2 minus R1. R2 minus R1, 1 minus 1. Only changes for R2. 1 minus 1 is a 0. R2 minus R1, 4 minus 3 is a 1. And 3 minus 3 is a 0. Therefore, R2 minus R1, 0 minus 1 is a minus 1. 1 minus 0 is a 1. And 0 minus 0 is a 0. Therefore, next condition is use this element A31 reduced to 0. Therefore, use R3, then R3 minus R1, then R3 minus R1. Only changes for row third. Therefore, first row as it is 1 3 3 as it is. Second row as it is 0 1 0 as it is into A inverse equal to right side as it is. First row as it is 1 0 0 as it is minus 1. Second row as it is minus 1 1 0 as it is. Therefore, only changes for row third. R3 minus R1, 1 minus 1 0. 3 minus 3 0. 4 minus 3 1. And 0 minus 1 is a minus 1. R3 minus R1. 0 minus 1 minus 1. 0 minus 0. 0 minus 0 is a 0. And 1 minus 0 is a 1. Therefore, 1 0 0. A12 reduced to 0. Use R1, then R1 minus 3 into R2. R1 minus 3 into R2. Only changes for first row, second row and third row as it is. 0 1 0 as it is, 0 0 1 as it is into A inverse equal to second row as it is minus 1 1 0 as it is, third row as it is minus 1 0 1 as it is. Therefore, R1 minus 3 R2 minus 3 into 0 0. 1 minus 0 is a 1. Minus 3 into 1 minus 3 plus 3. Changes for R1 is a 0. Minus 3 into 0, 0 plus 3 is a 3. Therefore, minus 3 into this R2. Minus 3 into minus 1 plus 3 plus 1. This is a 4. Minus 3 into 1 minus 3 plus 0 minus 3. And minus 3 into 0. 0 plus 0 is a 0. Therefore, this element 1 0 0 0 1 0 only A13 reduces to 0. Therefore, only reduces to A13 is a 0. Use R1, then R1 minus 3R3. Second row as it is 0 1 0 as it is, third row 0 0 1 as it is into A inverse equal to second row as it is, third row as it is into A inverse equal to equal to minus 1, 1, 0 as it is, minus 1, 0, 1 as it is. Only changes for row first. Therefore, R1 minus 3 R3. This minus 3 into R3, this minus 3 into R3. Therefore, minus 3 into 0, 0. 1 minus 0 is a 1. Minus 3 into 0, 0 minus 0 is a 0. Minus 3 into 1, minus 3 and this plus 3 is a 0. Therefore, minus 3 into 1, minus 3 into minus 1, this product is a plus 3 plus 4. This addition is a 7. Minus 3 into 0, 0, 0 minus 3 is a minus 3, and minus 3 into 1 minus 3 plus 0 minus 3. Therefore, 1 0 0 0 1 0 and 0 0 1, this is the identity matrix. This value is I into A inverse. I into A inverse equal to 7 minus 3 minus 3 minus 1 1 0 minus 1 0 1. Therefore, I into A inverse means A inverse. This is the identity matrix. I into A inverse is A inverse equal to 7 minus 3 minus 3 minus 1 1 0 minus 1 0 1. This is the A inverse. A inverse is a 7 minus 3 minus 3 minus 1 1 0 minus 1 0 1. This is the final answer. Okay. We will discuss second example. Find the inverse of matrix A is a 1 2 3 1 1 5 2 4 7 by elementary row transformation. Given matrix A is a 1 2 3 1 1 5 2 4 7. Consider determinant A equal to, the determinant of A is a 1 2 3 1 1 5 2 4 7. Therefore, 1 is a selected, leaving of first row first column. 1 into 7 7. 4 into 5 is a 20. This direction is a minus 7 minus 20, and this second element is a minus 2, leaving a second column and first row. We multiply 1 into 7 is a 7. 1 into 7 is a 7, and this 2 into 5 is a 10. 7 minus 10 and plus 3 into, leaving up third column and first row. 1 into 4 is a 4. 1 into 2 is a 2. 4 minus 2. Therefore, 1 into 7 minus 20 is a minus 13, and minus 2 into 7 minus 10 is a minus 3, and plus 3 into 4 minus 2, this subtraction is a plus 2. Therefore, 1 into minus 13 is a minus 13. Minus 2 into minus 3, this product is a plus 6, and 2 into 3 is a 6. 6 plus 6, 12, minus 13 plus 12. Therefore, determinant A equal to minus 1. 13 minus 13 plus 12 is a minus 1. Determinant A equal to minus 1. Therefore, determinant A not equal to 0. A inverse is a exist. A inverse is a exist by using, find the inverse matrix by using elementary row transformation. 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 Therefore, we use A into A inverse equal to I. Therefore, A into A inverse, the value of A into A inverse equal to I is the identity matrix. A is a 1 2 3 1 1 5 2 4 7 into A inverse equal to I is identity matrix 1 0 0 0 1 0 and 0 0 1. A into A inverse equal to I. A11 is a 1, A21 is a 1 reduces to 0. Therefore, use R2, then R2 minus, then R2 minus R1, then R2 minus R1. Therefore, then R2 minus R1. First row as it is, 1 2 3 as it is, third row as it is, 2 4 7 as it is into A inverse equal to first row 1 0 0 and third row 0 0 1 as it is. Only changes for second row. Therefore, R2 minus R1, 1 minus 1 is 0, 1 minus 2 is a minus 1 and 5 minus 3 is a 2. 1 minus 1, 0, 1 minus 2, minus 1, 5 minus 3 is a 2, 0 minus 1 is a minus 1, 1 minus 0 is a 1 and 0 minus 0 is a 0. Therefore, A31 reduces to 0. We can use R3, then R3 minus 2 R1. Therefore, first row as it is, only changes for third row, 1 2 3, 0 minus 1 2, second row as it is, into A inverse equal to first row as it is 1 0 0, second row as it is minus 1 0 as it is, minus 1 1 0 as it is. Only changes for third row, minus 2 into 1 minus 2 plus 2, this element is a 0, minus 2 into 2 minus 4 and this plus 4, only changes for R3 is a 0, minus 2 into 3 minus 6 and this plus 7 is a plus 1, minus 2 into 1 minus 2 plus 0 minus 2, minus 2 into 0 is a 0 plus 0 is a 0, minus 2 into 0 0 0 plus 1 is a 1. Therefore, use R2, then minus 1 into R2. We multiply minus 1 into row second. Therefore, only changes for row second, 1 2 3, first row as it is, minus 1 into 0 0, minus 1 into 1 plus 1 and minus 1 into 2 minus 2 and this third row 0 0 1 as it is, into A inverse equal to first row as it is 1 0 0 as it is, minus 1, we multiply minus 1 into this, minus minus plus 1, minus 1 into 1 minus 1, minus 1 into 0 is a 0 and third row is a minus 2 0 1 as it is. Therefore, this A12 is a 0, means use R1, then R1 minus 2 R2, then R1 minus 2 R2, only changes for row first. Therefore, this minus 2 and this minus 2, 1 into 0, this minus 2 into 0 0, 0 plus 1 is a 1, minus 2 into 1 minus 2 and plus 2 is a 0, minus 2 into minus 2 plus 4 and this plus 3 is, this addition is a 7. Therefore, second row as it is 0 1, minus 2 as it is, and third row as it is 0 0 1 as it is into A inverse equal to minus 2 into 1 minus 2 plus 1 is a minus 1, minus 2 into 1 minus 2 plus 0 is a 2, and minus 2 into 0 minus 0 plus 0 is a 0, and second row as it is 1 minus 1 0 as it is, minus 2 0 1 as it is. Therefore A13 this element A13 reduces to 0, therefore use R1, then R1 minus 7 into R3, then R1 minus 7 into R3. Therefore minus 7 into R3, minus 7 into 0, 0 plus 1 is a 1, minus 7 into 0, 0 plus 0 is a 0, minus 7 into 1, minus 7 plus 7 is a 0. Therefore this 0, second row as it is 0 1 minus 2 as it is, third row as it is 0 0 1 as it is, into A inverse equal to minus 7 into R3, minus 7 into minus 2 plus 14, and this minus 1, this addition is a 13, minus 7 into 0, 0 plus 2 is a 2, and minus 7 into 1 minus 7 plus 0 is a minus 7, second row 1 minus 1 0 as it is, minus 2 0 1 as it is. Use R2, this A23 reduces to 0, minus 2 reduces to 0, use R2, then R2 plus 2 into R3. Therefore only changes for row second, this first row as it is 1 0 0 as it is, third row as it is 0 0 1 as it is, into A inverse equal to first row as it is 13, 2 minus 7 as it is, and third row minus 2 0 1 as it is. Therefore R2 plus 2 into R3, 2 into 0 0, 0 plus 0 is a 0, 2 into 0 0 plus 1 is a 1, and 2 into 1 is a 2 plus 2, and this minus 2 is a 0. Therefore 2 into minus 2 minus 4, and this plus 1 is a minus 3, 2 into 0 0 0 minus 1 is a minus 1, 2 into 1 2, 2 plus 0 is a 2. This is the value of 1 0 0 0 1 0 and 0 0 1. This is the identity matrix. This value is a capital I into A inverse equal to 13 2 minus 7, 13 2 minus 7 minus 3 minus 1 2 minus 2 0 1. Therefore I into A inverse means A inverse equal to 13 2 minus 7 minus 3 minus 1 2 minus 2 0 1. This is the A inverse equal to 13 2 minus 7 minus 3 minus 1 2 minus 2 0 1. Okay.